Okay, boys. Looks like we've hit the bottom.
Man, shame about that treasure, boss.
What are you talking about, Rat? Just ignore him, boss. He's been on about this treasure for days. I think he's kinda lost it, you know? Well, that tends to happen when you've been tortured for selling out every mafia family from coast to coast and some in the motherland. Yeah, boss. Pay him no mind.
No, look, boss. When I got the boot from the Pacelli family, I overheard them talking about this dragon treasure. They was playing and going lift it, but I was supposed to be in the Alps. I gotta...
Nah, don't listen to him, boss. He's talking out of his...
Nah, shut you, ninny. I got all the details and everything.
You're full of it. You're a fool. They probably knew you were listening and wanted to screw with you. Sal, let the man speak.
Thank you, boss. So listen, it wasn't no grift, and I ain't no fool. If there's one thing I know, it's stealing info and selling it off. I got all the details, boss. Maps, location, what kind of traps to expect, all of it. All I want is a fair cut. There'd still be some more than enough to settle your gambling debts.
Well, then it's settled. Provided Rat can produce the map and any other necessary supplies, I shall call in one last favor, and we will fly to the mountain in question at once.
Say, boss, was it really necessary to off the guy? Like, wasn't he a butt or something?
You idiot. What if...